I am fascinated by the history of life on Earth, by life's biodiversity, but I'm also fascinated by the challenge of trying to find meaningful generalities that account for this history.
These kind of stellar explosions that we're talking about, they reach extremes in density, gravity, energy, unlike anything that we could produce on Earth.
There are about 100 million times more viruses on Earth than stars in the universe. And even in just this one droplet of a sneeze, in theory, it could fit about 2.5 million coronaviruses in that droplet.
And so how can we repair a human heart? For that, we have to turn to organisms that can repair their hearts to uncover how nature's kind of already configured how this process can work.
The community living around are going to be very concerned. They want to know, do these earthquakes mean an eruption is going to happen soon?
Now we can turn to the fundamental question that I've been thinking about during my PhD, which is how can we turn a boring old material into a quantum material?
What can psychedelics teach us about neural plasticity, and can we mimic that psychedelic-induced plasticity in contexts like neurodegeneration?